everyone, this is me Sadia here, and I'm back with the bonus love reads. And this reading is going to be for the sign of Taurus. Topic of the reading is, what is it that they intend with you, whoever it is that you're dealing with, and you really want to know what do they intend with you, what is it that they want to have with you. This reading is definitely going to help you know that. I will be adding oracle cards in this reading as well, so stay tuned. And before I dive into the read, let me remind you, it is a general read. It may not resonate with everyone out there, so always pick the signs and messages that resonates and leave the rest. And for personal reads, you can always reach out to me on my email ID in the description box. You can also check out other services that I offer as well. So Taurus, let's see. What do they intend with you? Whoever it is that you're dealing with, let's see, what do they want with you? Wow, Ace of Wands is something that I could see while I was shuffling as well. So they really want to have a passionate new beginning with you, whoever it is that you're dealing with. I feel like, right now, maybe you don't see things coming. You don't see things to come to fruition for the two of you in this connection right now. But it's going to manifest it. It's going to be like, manifesting for you. Somehow, it's right now nothing, nowhere, anything is it's more like there's nothing right now which is going on between the two of you now, and suddenly out of nowhere everything is going to be like magically formed. So it's more like maybe behind the curtains there's a lot happening in regards to this connection where everything is like maybe falling into place for the two of you, and suddenly everything is going to be completely different in this connection where you and them will be having something beautiful together. Right now maybe they don't seem to kind of let you know what they intend with you, but that's exactly what is happening behind the curtains. Maybe they are manifesting you, they are trying to manifest that, create that love with you that they want to see in this connection with you. So it seems like your person really wants to create something magical, powerful, um, you know um, beautiful. And I feel like it's going to be very passionate energy as well with you and your person in this connection. I feel like they really want to have a very passionate relationship with you. Let's see more cards here. The World. They want to be with you forever. I do see that. Whoever it is that you're dealing with, they want to be with you forever, and they want to wait for you till forever as well. Like if they have to do that, they will be doing that because this person really believes in this connection so much. They will make it happen, they will make it manifest. Like it might take them time, but at the same time they they are not going to give up on you or this connection. They are very patient and they know how to make it happen. They know what are the tools and techniques to make things work in this connection with you. So I don't see your person giving up on this connection at all. I do see that your person is somebody who's going to make it happen. Whatever they desire with you, they will make sure that they have that one thing with you. Marriage, commitment, living in together, being together forever. So that's what they want. That's what they intend with you. Right now, it seems like, maybe there is a lot that is unsaid, unheard right now in this connection. Maybe you both are not talking to each other for some of you, but this is exactly what they intend. They want to have reconciliation if you have separated. They know that whatever that is blocking this connection right now, it's not going to last long because the connection that you share is definitely very strong. In fact, stronger than what is basically blocking this connection from moving forward right now. There is a lot of disappointment that might be going on right now. Again, they are not giving up. Trust me on that. They are very patient and they know eventually you and them are going to be together, and you and them will start something beautiful together. I feel like, for some of you, they have a strong faith, belief in this connection, and they know somehow that the balance right now is missing in this connection, and they are working towards that balance which is required to build the foundation to this connection. I feel like this is exactly what is happening right now. They do see you as their wish fulfillment, as their future spouse. They really want to have you as your partner, and for life. I don't see that this is something that they want to have for time pass or something. They really want to have a future with you. Now let's see, what is it that that you need to do to have what you desire with your person? What is it that you need to do to have what you desire with this person? Let's see. Show the world the real you. For some of you, it could be an Aquarius as well. It's very important for you to show the real you to the world. Like whatever it is that you truly intend, believe, want, have, you got to show it to the world. I feel like for some of you, maybe you need to take stand for this connection that you have with your person as well, because maybe right now you are being very different you, and the real you really wants this person and this connection to manifest. Somehow maybe you're holding yourself back right now from being expressive to this person, being expressive to the world around your connection with this person. For some of you, it could be a celebrity, or maybe your person is the one. So maybe it's high time that you reveal what you like and what you don't like. It is time for you to make it official between the two of you as well, and not just between the two of you, but to the world as well, that yes, you are committed, yes, you love this person, and that's how it is. Let's see more cards here. What else is happening? What else do you need to do? Balance spirituality and practicality. Now for some of you, you and your person could be very different. Maybe either one of you is very spiritual, the other is very practical. So it's high time that you balance that connection there, because maybe you have two extremes in this connection. Either one of you is very unromantic, the other is very romantic, and I feel like there has to have balance in this connection, which is missing right now, which could be the reason why things are not moving ahead in this connection as of now. So for some of you, maybe it's high time that you start um, picking up the signs coming from the divine as well. Maybe you have been very practical about your life, maybe you have been very spiritual about your life. It's time to take solid steps ahead in the direction of your dreams as well. It's high time to create the life that you desire with your person. So that is also needed here. For some of you, you could be dealing with a water sign as well. You are very close to achieving your goal. I feel like whatever you desire with your person in this connection, you are very close to achieve that. You are very close to have that. And again, I feel like for majority of you, everything is going to happen miraculously, because it's going to be like right now things are building up. The energies are gaining momentum there, but it is going to come out to in the open as a miracle, because nobody would be expecting it. Now for some of you, you're keeping the secret to yourself that you are manifesting this connection, or your person is keeping that secret to themselves that they are manifesting this connection. But it seems like this connection will be going official. This connection will be becoming like that thing for the world to see very quick. And I feel like it might not take it longer than the uh, you know maybe 2 to 3 months time, not longer than that. I feel like you will be making it official within 2 to 3 months time. And it's going to be it is going to be for the world to see it. Let's see more oracle cards here. Physical touch, attended touch can mean so much. I feel like you and your person is very spiritual. Not just that, I feel like the touch, the physical connection that you have, the sexual connection that you have also has a lot of soulful energy to it. It's never just the touch, it's never just the sex in this connection. It's more of the physical touch that means a lot more than what it is. You can feel the soul touch and this connection with this person. So I feel like this connection could have been very sexual for some of you as well, but I feel like this connection is more than what it may seem right now to you, and you are going to see the miracles happening in this connection with your person. So yeah, that's pretty much it coming up for you for this read. If it helped you, do like, share, and subscribe till I do the next reading for you guys. Take care. Bye.